According to Ross Young, a respected analyst at Display Supply Chain Consultants (DSCC), the Galaxy Z Fold 7 will feature a 6.49-inch outer display and a massive 8-inch internal foldable screen. This is a noteworthy jump from the Z Fold SIX's 6.3-inch and 7.6-inch combo, providing more canvas for multitasking, productivity, and immersive content viewing. In today's foldable race, screen real estate is becoming a key battleground. With this upgrade, Samsung aligns its offering with rivals like the Google Pixel 9 Pro Fold and Oppo Find N5, both of which boast displays at or above 8 inches. This move not only reflects user demand for larger, tablet-like experiences but also hints at Samsung's desire to maintain its crown in the foldable space. What's particularly exciting is that Young links the Z Fold 7's design language to the Z Fold 6 SE Special Edition, an exclusive variant launched in South Korea. The SE was praised for its wider screen and notably slimmer body, creating a device that felt closer in usability to a regular smartphone when folded. It appears that the design principles of the SE are finally going global with the Fold 7, potentially addressing one of the most common user complaints: awkward, narrow screens. Performance enhancements without a bigger battery? Of course, beautiful displays demand power, and that's where the news gets complicated. Reports from Samiguru suggest that the Galaxy Z Fold 7 will retain the same 4,400 mAh battery as its predecessor. At first glance, this may seem like a missed opportunity. After all, bigger screens typically mean higher energy consumption. But Samsung might have a smart workaround. The company reportedly plans to employ advanced AI-powered battery optimization, a technique that has already proven successful in the Galaxy S25 Edge, which runs efficiently on a relatively small 3,900 mAh cell. These AI enhancements analyze usage patterns, app behavior, and performance needs in real time to stretch battery life without compromising speed or responsiveness. Still, this approach will need to be flawless to meet consumer expectations. Foldable phones are not only premium devices, they're power-hungry multitaskers. With larger screens, demanding productivity tasks, and 5G connectivity in play, battery endurance remains a top priority for users. What else can we expect from the Fold 7? Although the spotlight is currently on the display and battery, several other improvements are expected. Refined hinge design: rumors indicate a lighter and more durable hinge, reducing weight while improving the fold-unfold experience. Camera upgrades: while not officially confirmed, Samsung is expected to equip the Fold 7 with flagship-level camera hardware, possibly borrowing elements from the S-Series Ultra line. Software integration: One UI for foldables has matured over the years. With One UI 7 likely to debut alongside the Fold 7, users can anticipate smarter app transitions, improved multitasking, and better integration with Samsung's ecosystem. S Pen compatibility: building on past models, there's speculation that the Z Fold 7 will offer even tighter S Pen integration, possibly with upgraded latency and pressure sensitivity. Final verdict: is the Z Fold 7 the foldable we've been waiting for? With a larger display, slimmer build, and intelligent optimizations, the Galaxy Z Fold 7 is shaping up to be Samsung's most user-centric foldable yet. By adopting the best aspects of the Fold 6 SE and addressing long-standing concerns around screen usability, it seems like Samsung is finally perfecting the foldable form factor.